Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Razr 60 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all you need to do is to tap on the settings icon in the upper panel. Go to the languages at the top and here tap on Add Keyboard. So we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So find yours and tap on it. Choose the region. And here you need to choose the keyboard layout. So just mark the option and tap on Done. Now we've got two languages added, and before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with two or more languages added. As you can see here, we've got the instruction, we've got an additional icon, the globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it, we've got the other language. Alright, so to remove the language, you need to open the settings. Here, go to languages at the top and tap on this icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language that you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.